You don't have to be special to join our garden. Welcome. Oh, and the scarecrows. Scary, right? So, this is basically afternoon, my fit check, a head wrap, my sweater, some PJs, and just Crocs. Literally, you don't have to do anything extra. A home garden just needs you to keep showing up. Well, this is our 10-minute afternoon drill so that you can kind of see what we get up to literally for 10 minutes every afternoon. So number one, we water the crops. So we just have about 3 buckets and that covers up all the crops. We currently don't have rain. So when the sun is down, and we do it, or in the early mornings, we try to avoid the sun, as you can imagine. And we also kind of use this time to unwind from work. And obviously, family time. Yes, I got wet. Very, very wet. I'm still not okay.
Hey, Katie.